As the sun sets, the global flock begins its convergence, a display of perfect coordination achieved through instinct and training. As the sun sets, the flock returns to the safety of the breeding systems, completing another cycle in the ecosystem. The culmination of the life cycle. A global system in perfect harmony, the flock returns home, ensuring the future. Comparisons. Here in the selection zone, the health and vitality of the breeding stock are paramount. We meticulously inspect.
The eyes are clear and the feathers are dense. This breeder is in excellent condition and ready for the program.
Our complete life cycle system starts with the precise mixing of raw materials. The resulting nutritional feed is then distributed to the flock. Nest building is a shared task. The male gathers materials while the female arranges them into a secure cup shape.
The female typically lays 1 or sometimes 2 small, white eggs.
The ventilation system ensures optimal temperature stability, crucial for the successful hatching and growth observed in these secured compartments.
The intricate network of veins sustains the rapidly growing embryo. We can clearly visualize the heartbeat and the first movements within the protective shell.
Then, as the embryo continues to grow, the automated system activates the misting spray, ensuring the humidity remains precisely at the optimal situation.
A high-quality diet, rich in calcium and vitamins, ensures the parent pigeons are healthy enough to support the entire breeding cycle.
Here we see the parent resuming incubation, carefully covering the eggs with its body warmth. Deep within the shell, the chick begins its struggle for emergence. The first hairline fractures appear, signaling the start of a new life cycle.
Detect mode. The parent gently adjusts the nest, securing the fragile chick. This intimate contact marks the beginning.
The chick begins its first digestion cycle of the highly nutritious crop milk, provided by the parent.
Here in the nest, The second squab begins its struggle for emergence. The cracks deepen.
The warmth protection stage begins as the parent carefully covers the newly hatched squab, ensuring its survival. The empty shell is discarded.
Emerging from the shell, the new life is weak but determined. The parent arrives to offer warmth and protection. Days after hatching, the tiny white fuzz emerges, marking the beginning of rapid feather formation.
The worker carefully removes the discarded eggshells and any waste, ensuring the nest remains spotless for the growing chick.
The parent roller pigeon diligently continues the nutrition cycle, ensuring both chicks receive the vital crop milk necessary for their rapid growth. Now significantly larger, the squabs are nearing the fledgling stage. They eagerly stretch their necks, anticipating the crop milk from the parent.
Nutrient intake supports this rapid development. As the feather shafts extend and thicken, the body's strength begins to grow in preparation for flight.
Maintaining strict hygiene is crucial. The old bedding is replaced with fresh, clean straw to ensure the stable growth of the chicks.
In this clean environment, the young rock pigeon chicks begin their crucial balance training, strengthening the muscles needed for their very first flight attempts.
Repeated wing motion begins the vital process of muscle training, preparing the chicks for their first flight.
A specialized mixture of millet and crushed corn is vital. The chicks quickly gain strength as they transition to solid food.
Following their initial hopping success, the chicks work to stabilize their posture on the perch, preparing for the first coordinated flock movement. The juvenile attempts its first assisted flight. This is crucial wing strength training for the growing bird.
The performance tracking system allows us to monitor key metrics like jump height and wing stability in real time.
The controlled movement training has been highly successful. The juveniles follow the guide path precisely, anticipating the reward system at the feeders.
The pigeons quickly learn to associate the dispenser's weir with their reward. This precise nutrient delivery system supports their rapid growth cycle.
With the full mobility system now active, the training cycles are complete. The juveniles begin their first exploration beyond the core nest zone. Having achieved individual flight control, the young rock doves now practice their first coordinated group patterns within the dome. The training progresses well, showcasing the pigeons' improving timing and spatial awareness.
With fully matured wings and strong feather structure, these pigeons demonstrate increasing flight endurance.
The calm of the resting station allows for vital recovery. Through drinking and careful preening.
Scene 71. The juveniles transition from the training zones into the vast open flight corridors.
As the airflow increases, the flock adjusts its wing power. This strenuous resistance training strengthens their flight control for the next phase. Maintaining formation despite visible fatigue, these birds are nearing the end of their endurance training, a crucial phase in their development. This energy restoration phase is critical. The high-quality grain mix ensures rapid recovery and growth after intense flight training. The gates open, releasing the flock for the coordinated homing return test. Their powerful wing beats allow them to...
With the dispersal phase complete, the flocks align, demonstrating remarkable group navigation as they converge on the central system.
The group return was successful. However, the system has detected weak performance in some units, initiating the correction training protocol.
Thanks to the assisted airflow in the correction zone, these racing pigeons are rapidly improving their stability, preparing for reintegration.
The LED indicators validate each successful landing, showcasing the effectiveness of the training protocol.
Here in the recovery zone, the pigeons rehydrate and cool down, essential steps before the final homing simulation begins.
With the mid-route adjustment complete, the birds flare their wings, confirming their landing on the home perch zone.
Data evaluation complete, we can now officially certify this one as an advanced flyer, ready for the final phase.
The flock has reached full maturity. With the adult conversion stage confirmed, they are ready for the next phase, breeding readiness inspection. With the pair selection finalized, the new breeding cycle is initiated. Here we see the selected male and female racing pigeons introduced to the breeding cage.
Fresh straw is added to the wooden boxes, signaling the start of a new life cycle for the king pigeons.
With the nest prepared, the male initiates the pair bonding behavior, performing a courtship display of wing flaring and head bobbing.
The female carefully settles into the stable nest. Internally, the egg formation phase has begun, and laying is imminent.
The first egg of the new generation has arrived, a pristine white promise of life. The cycle begins anew.
With both eggs now laid, the incubation cycle begins. The parents will diligently take turns keeping the eggs warm until they hatch.
The complete life cycle system allows for synchronized breeding. Here, fantail and powder eggs are monitored closely through every stage of incubation. Scaling confirmed. We are initiating resource distribution protocol.
Acknowledged. All systems are green across the board.
With the feeding and hydration systems stabilized, the complete life cycle system ensures the optimal growth and health of the racing homers. Following the health scan, the prevention protocol begins with the careful preparation of the necessary vaccines and supplements to maintain the flock's peak health. The automated hygiene system ensures the breeding environment is refreshed, minimizing health risks before the next clutch arrives. With sanitation complete, the life cycle accelerates. Our racing homers are tracked from birth, ensuring genetic quality across the rapidly growing population. With optimal energy efficiency and complete feed recycling, the ecosystem is validated. The life cycle is complete.
The empire is fully operational, a testament to the power of synchronized breeding and flight training.
With population scaling complete, the final shipment preparations begin for global distribution.
Our complete life cycle system ensures global reach.
Patients. As the new population arrives, they are carefully introduced to the sterile environment of the breeding aviaries. After integration, the pigeons begin adapting to the new farm, exploring the nesting boxes and utilizing the feeding stations before the next cycle.
The life cycle begins anew. Across our global network, breeding pairs synchronize.